So thank you for your perspective today. Hi, I have with me Saurabh Datta here from the StreamAnalytix Solution Engineering team. He's part of the team that actually goes build solutions for customers on StreamAnalytix. So he's here to share with us the developer perspective of StreamAnalytix. Hey Saurabh,
Hi, Avi.
thank you for being here with us.
Thank you, my pleasure.
So Saurabh, tell us, how is a developer or real-time application developer's journey impacted by StreamAnalytix?
StreamAnalytix really makes my life easy. So, as a developer, when somebody asks me to go and build a real-time application, I really have to start thinking from the scratch. I have to see which all technologies fit in, how the architecture has to be done, how different components in this architecture fit together, and this could easily consume a lot of time. Now with StreamAnalytix, I get a jump start. I don't have to worry about all these things. We have ready-made components and they are pre-staged. You just have to drag and drop a couple of them and you are good to go.
Excellent, awesome. Now, give us an example or a couple of examples of some of these ready-made functions or operators that you could just drag and drop or that are useful to perform stream processing.
Right, so we have various operators. You can divide them broadly into two categories. So we have infrastructure level operators. So you might want to drag Kafka or RabbitMQ as a channel for getting incoming messages. You might want to put it into an indexing engine. It might be Solar or it might be Elasticsearch. So we have these operators at the infrastructure level. We also have operators for stream processing. So these are operators which work on string or date or actual objects. So these processors could be concatenation of strings. You might want to get a piece of string, get out the substring. You might want to get the length, check nulls. So stuff like that you can perform using these operators. And at the same time, in certain scenarios, you also may want to look up certain databases, fetch values from a web service. So these all functions are automatically available as you go ahead and use StreamAnalytix.
Amazing, awesome. So in fact, that also reminds me of a great success story that your own team member had with a major customer of ours, where within 4 weeks or so, your whole team actually rolled out a large application for a major telco with like what 6 or 8, 12 different screens, etc. Right? Probably that used the same set of operations.
Right.
How does that work? I mean, how does that flow when the customer has a big use case? How do you manifest that into a real-time pipeline?
So again, as I said, as a developer, I really do not need to worry about the components I have to use. What I have to do is just get the sense of the domain and the use case. And all I need to do is actually map these use cases into StreamAnalytix operators. So you map these, again, drag and drop, connect them together. As you play this, it actually maps with the customer's use case, and all you have to do is worry about how to make sure that all of this is visualized properly.
Got it. The mapping of the functionality and the visualization also.
Right.
Got it. So we got a sense of the development cycle. I think once the development is done, you promote the application into production.
Right.
Is there a set of functions or features in StreamAnalytix that provides support for the production phase or operations phase?
Definitely, we have a very good monitoring infrastructure in place, which comes with StreamAnalytix. So as you deploy this entire pipeline, you have various components available. So we not only monitor these, but we also monitor the entire infrastructure. So if your application today is deployed on an edge-based cluster, reading from a queue, we actually monitor both these infrastructural components plus the actual logic that you have written. So if there is a particular processor which is choking, you can look into the monitoring UI and you can actually pinpoint where your entire pipeline is getting choked.
Got it.
So all of this is...
and you could take possibly corrective actions such as deploying more hardware on for that particular processor and updating the cluster in dynamically, right?
Definitely, you can pinpoint which particular processor is not doing its job properly or is lacking the resources, and you can assign additional hardware to it, and you can get its
Dynamically.
performance dynamically, definitely, and you can enhance its performance.
Great. So that gives us a perspective of both from a development perspective and operations perspective, how StreamAnalytix impacts the real-time application development process. So thank you for your perspective today, Saurabh.
Thank you.
So thank you for your perspective today. So thank you for your perspective today. So thank you for your perspective today.